Hello everyone, in this video we are going to do more practice problem based on lines and angles. So our first problem is find the angle which is equals to half of its complementary angle. So when two angles sum up to 90 degree called complementary angles. Here I have taken one 90-degree figure. Let's say this is A, this is B. So A plus B, which is equals to 90. Therefore, A and B are complementary angles. Now assume A is equals to X. So B will be X over 2 because it is asked in the question. So if A we will take X, B we will take X over 2. If A equals to we will take 2X, B will be half of the A, which is X. If A is 4X, B will be 2X. So any pair we can take from this. So I would prefer to take this when A equals to 2X. So B will be X. So here the sum of these two angles will be 90 degree. So A plus B will be 90 degree. So 2X plus X will be 90 degree. So 3X will be 90 degree. So here the value of X is 90 over 3, which is 30 degree. So X equals to 30 and 2X is equals to 60 degree. So X and 2X both are complementary angle. Because the sum of these two is 90 degree, and we can see the 30 is half of the 60 degree angle. So here we have our answer, X equals to 30 degree. Here we have our next problem. Find the angle which is equals to 2/3 of its supplementary angle. So when two angles sum up to 180 degrees are called supplementary angles. Here I have taken this angle A and B, and the sum of A and B is 180 degrees. So these two angles A and B are supplementary angle. So in the problem it is given if angle A is X, to angle B will be 2/3 of X. So A plus B will be 180 degree. Value of A is X and B is 2/3 of X will be 180 degree. Multiply 3 in the numerator and the denominator. So 2x over 3 equals to 180 degree. Take the LCM, which is 3. 3x plus 2x, which is 180 degree. So 5x over 3 equals to 180 degree. Now this 3 will go up and this 5 will come down here. So 180 times 3 over 5. Now cancel 180 and 5. It will go by 36. So x equals to 36 times 3, which is 108 degree. So the value of x is 108 degree. And the value of 2 over 3x is 2 by 3 times 108. So 3 times this is 36 and 2 times 36 degree, which is equals to 72 degree. So we are interested in this angle 2 over 3 over x. 2/3 of the angle is 72. This is our answer. So here we have our third problem. In this, it is asked, among two supplementary angles, the measure of the larger angle is 40 more than the measure of the smaller angle, and find their measure. So again, when two angles are sum up to 180 degree are called supplementary angle. I have taken here two supplementary angles, angle A and angle B. And it is given here measure of larger angle is 40 more than the smaller one. So let smaller one is x degree. So larger one will be x plus 40 degree. 40 more than the smaller one. And sum of these two angle will be 180 degree. So A plus B will be 180 degree. So x plus 40 plus x will be 180 degree. So 2x plus 40 will be 180 degree. So 2x will be transpose this 40 to this side. So 180 degree minus 40 degree. So 2x will be 140 degree. Then the value of x is 140 over 2. Divide both the side by 2. So this is going to be cancelled with 70 degree. So x equals to 70 degree. The value of B is 70 degree. Then value of A will be x plus 40 degree, which is 70 plus 40 degree, which is 110 degrees. So this is our answer. So A equals to 110